In the world of cryptocurrencies, staking has become one of the most accessible and popular ways for investors to earn passive income. Thanks to decentralized finance, DeFi, anyone can now stake crypto assets directly through blockchain-based protocols. No bank or broker needed. But while staking offers attractive rewards, it also comes with risks. If you're new to DeFi staking, understanding how to maximize your returns while minimizing potential pitfalls is essential. In this guide, we'll cover what DeFi staking is, how to start staking safely, best practices for risk management, top platforms to consider, common mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. What is DeFi staking? DeFi staking means locking your crypto assets into a decentralized protocol to help support the network's operations and earning rewards in return. In simple terms, you deposit crypto into a DeFi platform. Your funds are used to validate transactions or provide liquidity. In exchange, you earn a percentage yield, APY, on your crypto. Example, if you stake 10 ETH in a DeFi protocol offering a 5% APY, you would earn 0.5 ETH over 1 year, assuming no price changes. 2. How DeFi staking works. There are different types of staking in DeFi type how it works. Example, platforms, proof of stake, help validate transactions directly on a blockchain. Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot. Liquidity, staking, provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and earn fees. Uniswap, Curve. Finance, staking derivatives. Stake via platforms that issue a token representing your staked asset. Lido Rocket Pool. Each method has its own risks and rewards. Understanding these models helps you pick the strategy that best suits your risk appetite. Why beginners love DeFi. Staking simplicity. No complex trading strategies needed. Passive income. Earn rewards while holding assets. Accessibility. Open to anyone with a crypto wallet. Flexibility. Choose from hundreds of protocols and assets. Decentralization. No need for a bank or centralized broker. Bonus. Many DeFi platforms allow unstaking at any time, giving you greater flexibility compared to traditional fixed-term investments. 4. Risks to watch out. Although staking can seem like easy money, it's important to be cautious. Here are key risks. Smart contract risk. Bugs or hacks in DeFi protocols could cause loss of funds. Slashing risk. If a validator misbehaves, part of your stake can be penalized. Liquidity risk. You may not be able to withdraw your funds immediately if the platform locks them. Market risk. Crypto prices can fall, reducing the value of your staked assets. APY volatility. Yields are not fixed. They can fluctuate based on market conditions. Important. Always treat DeFi staking like any other investment. Assess risks carefully before committing your funds. How to start DeFi staking safely. If you're ready to start staking, follow these basic steps. Step 1. Choose a reliable wallet. Use a wallet that supports DeFi apps. dApps, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. Tip. Always secure your seed phrase offline. Step 2. Research the staking platform. Look for platforms that are audited, third-party code checks, transparent, open-source smart contracts, established, good community reputation. Tip. Check reviews on sites like DeFi Llama, Reddit, and Twitter. Step 3. Understand the tokenomics. Make sure you understand the token's purpose, the reward structure, lockup periods, if any. If a platform promises guaranteed high returns, it's a red flag. Step 4. Start small. Test with a small amount first. Monitor the rewards and process. Only increase your stake after you're confident in the platform. Never stake more than you can afford to lose. If you want me to make other videos explaining these topics, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.